Hi besties. So today is Monday, so that means we are going to be doing a little weekly reset. I'm with my sister and we're gonna go grocery shopping. Our first stop is Target. I have to grab a couple of things. I already made my phone on my list. A list on my phone of what I need to get for all my groceries this week. I already made kind of like my meal plan because this year I really wanted to do that because I did not want to start like overspending at the grocery store because I feel like I go every other day for something and I don't really plan out my meals. I kind of just like spur of the moment. I'm like, I want this for dinner. So this year I'm like, no, we're gonna make a list. We're gonna make our weekly meal plan and we're gonna stick to it so we can save money and like budget for that. Like I said, our first stop is Target. We're inside of Target now. We're in the candle aisle. We just looked for candles for my mom and I found this one. It is just pineapple lemonade. We left Target and it was pretty full, so I didn't end up recording too much. I did spend $45 and I'm not trying to spend over like $100-ish, like that's my budget. I grabbed a couple of things there, which I'll show you guys once I get home. We just made it to Aldi's because I really want to grab some fruit. I like how they have like the smaller things of fruit because every time I go to Costco or like Sam's, I don't eat the fruit fast enough. Hopefully they have some good stuff here. Besties, we are at Walmart. It's kind of empty in here, but still feel a little bit awkward recording. I'm on my phone. Ooh. And so far this is what we have in the cart. Some avocados. I just got some yogurt. Some most of these things are my sister's. So it is the next day. I'm gonna show you guys all the things I got because honestly I got home and I was so tired and the budget from being $100 turned into the grand total of $202. We ended up going to Walmart and guys, I got so many things there. I put everything away, kind of. The only thing I didn't do last night was up the pineapple because like I said, I was really tired and I did kind of organize my fridge a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys the things that I got there and at Trader Joe's. I think I showed you guys what I got at Target, I'm not sure, but I'll show you guys that as well. Kind of organized. I got some chicken from Walmart. It's in the fridge because I'm gonna cook it today. I got some baby carrots. That's just some leftover lettuce from the other day. I got some heavy whipping cream because I really want to make a heart cake this week. Some leftover cucumbers. I got some yogurt, and then I got this Chobani Greek yogurt. I'm gonna try it out tomorrow because I'm not sure if it's gonna hurt my stomach and I have class today. So I got that, and then at Trader Joe's, I just got some ciabatta rolls. And I also got some cucumbers at Aldi's. I really like these. I think these are, honestly, I don't know what kind of cucumbers these are, but they're not like the regular ones. They're always like in plastic at the grocery store. I really like these. And then like I said, I got some ciabatta rolls from Trader Joe's and I keep my bread in the fridge because I feel like it lasts a lot longer than keeping it outside. And then in this drawer at Aldi's, I just got some cheese, some Mexican style cheese, and then some mozzarella. And in this drawer, it's just like random cheese and some juices. And in this like top portion, I got some more of these cookies. I really like getting these. I like making like one or two for like a little sweet treat with some vanilla bean ice cream, and it's so good. And then I just have some butter because like I said, I want to make a cake this week. And I just have some Capri Suns. I have some more bread and some yogurt. And I washed all of my berries and I put them in here in my really cute Hello Kitty container, and I just have some more peach halves. I got another one of these. I mostly put away a lot of things, but at Trader Joe's I just got this apple juice for some smoothies. At Walmart I got my favorite Rayo's pasta sauce. This is just a sensitive marinara one. And then I got a pineapple from Trader Joe's. I also got some chipotle peppers from Target. I got the pizza sauce. And guys, I went to go visit my aunt in Palm Springs and we went out to this restaurant, to this Thai restaurant, and they had these really good like lettuce wraps, and I had been thinking about them for so long. And when I was at Walmart just looking at the random like sauces that they have, I saw this one. It's a sauce for lettuce wraps, so I was so excited when I saw this. I'm gonna try this out and hopefully it's good. At Walmart I just got some oyster sauce, because I got some chow mein from Trader Joe's. And then I got some more sea salt at Target. I just got some mouthwash, and I'm missing a lot more. Oh yeah, I got some little pizza crust from Target. Got that, some turkey pepperoni, and I ended up getting some avocados from Walmart to eat this week. They're pretty green, so they just have to ripen up in the next couple of days. And I think I got a couple other things that I put away. I got some chicken stock, some egg noodles, because I really want to try to make a chicken noodle soup. Besides some miscellaneous things, that's pretty much all I got at the stores. And right now, guys, I'm about to go to the post office because they lost 2 of my packages, which I'm kind of sad and annoyed about. And I'm not a confrontational person, so I'm kind of nervous. My siblings have been texting me like all morning, like, hey, did you go yet? And I'm like, no, I'm gonna go right now, I'm gonna go right now. And they're like, girl, just get it over with. So besides that, I also have a school today and I need to clean, and I'm also gonna cook dinner / lunch pretty early. Like I said, I have class later, so I don't want to worry about that. And I'm trying to be a lot better about cooking because I am excited to cook this week. I got so many really good things that I'm very excited to try out, so hopefully I end up recording some of that. But I'm also trying to post every 2 to 3 days, guys, on my YouTube, and I just thank you so much for everyone that's subscribed lately. It just makes me feel so happy, and I always send them to my siblings. I'm like, hey guys, like, look, someone subscribed to me, or like if you guys leave a comment, and they're always like, oh, that's so nice, because I don't know, you guys make me so happy, and it just makes me feel so like supported when you guys like subscribe and leave comments. It just makes me very excited. So I am trying to post a lot more. Hopefully the post office goes well, and just wish me luck because I'm kind of scared. So I'm gonna get ready. I just put my hair into a braid and kind of fixed up my bangs, and I'm just gonna leave the sweater on. It's just a really cute Sailor Moon sweater. We're inside the store. I did get this very cute bag. It's from Rite Aid, and it's just Thrifty's ice cream cones. Look how cute. So I got this, and then I just got some chips. I just got some the popcorn chips, and I got a drink. Hi besties. So it is a lot later in the day. To sum it all up, I got my package and someone hit me at the post office. So I'm not gonna lie, my morning was kind of not the best, but now it's about to be 3:30 and we're about to start on some lunch / dinner. I'm gonna make a chicken salad. So I have my chicken, and I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I use to season it. So I'm just using some sazon. You guys can kind of see it. It's in this really cute container that I have. So I add some of this. I do a little bit of some chicken bouillon that's up here. You guys can season it however you want. A little bit of salt, some garlic onion powder, and I'm gonna add a tiny bit of some lemon pepper. You guys can season it however you like. And quickly I want to tell you guys how I cook my chicken, just because I was one of those people that was very scared of cooking it because you're always like, is it pink in the middle? So one of my biggest like tips that I have learned is making sure you cut your chicken pretty thin, and also making like little slices on it. And I like to do low heat on my pan and let it cook both sides for about like 5 minutes. Afterwards, if I want that like nice crispy skin, I turn it up so then it has that like little crust on it. It helps me. I have that peace of mind of like, I know my chicken is fully cooked. I am leaving to school. This is just my outfit. It is Wednesday and I had an appointment this morning, so I got up pretty early. I'm now at my parents' house because I'm gonna hang out with my sister. I'm also gonna do some homework. Waiting for a package that I'm so excited about. I ordered 2 things. I got some really cute Snoopy sheets and this really cute cardigan from Mercari, so I'm waiting for that. But I did go to the store and I got a couple of drinks to try. First of all, I got this. It's a little bowl ramen bowl noodle. Guys, this is honestly one of my favorite things to like eat if it's pretty quick. And I got my sister a Gatorade. The cool blue one is my favorite, so I got one for her and one for me. And the last couple things I got this little yogurt drink. If you guys know, these are like the little Mexican yogurt drinks that you would get at like Vallarta or something. So I got one of those in the strawberry flavor. And the thing I'm pretty excited about trying is this Dr. D's sparkling probiotic drink. It's tart cherry and it looks like this. It's actually so cute. I don't know if I'll like it. I feel like I've always tried different kind of drinks like this and I end up like not liking it. I don't know why, but I wanted to try it and forgot to shake it. I'm gonna try to swivel it around because I feel like maybe that will help it. It's not bad. Again, it does say tart cherry, so like I don't know if I was expecting sweetness or something, but it's not bad. Just made my sopita and I'm about to eat. I have Big Bang on and I'm gonna eat my soup. After this, I'm gonna start on some homework. It's now almost 2:30 and my packages just got delivered, so I wanted to open them up with you. The first one came with this Amazon package, and like I said, this one is a cardigan Mercari. It's so cute, guys. It is this little knit striped cardigan. So cute. They are just these little Valentine's Day Snoopy sheets. And I'm about to put these in the wash because I want to put them on my bed. I'm so excited. Good morning, besties. We are going to the gym this morning. I woke up and guys, it was hard because it is so warm and I was just like, no, my goal for this year is to go back to the gym and actually stay consistent. I got up, I brushed my teeth, I fixed my hair. I'm about to put some leggings and my shoes on. I have to wash my water bottle. But guys, I'm not gonna lie, it was so hard because I have not gone to the gym since June and we're now in January. So I was just like, no, we are going, and I think I'm just gonna go on the treadmill today and try the 12-3-30. I put my phone to charge so I can watch something while I try to do that. Maybe something else, but I think probably just the treadmill. And I'm trying to tell myself like, no, like I'm gonna feel a lot better afterwards. But honestly, I'm just like, I wanna go back to bed. And I think that's just like the hardest part, is just like getting up to go. So wish me luck and hopefully I stay motivated and we keep going to the gym, because I feel like I like going to the gym, but again, it's just like getting there is like the hardest part and staying consistent. So yeah, let's do this. The gym went really well. I was dying by the end of it. I only did 2 miles, which I'm kind of proud of myself. It did take me a while. I couldn't even do the 12-30 because guys, I did the incline I think to 8, my speed to like 7 please, 2.7, and that was already killing me. I was just like, girl, I'm already so tired. Walked for about like 40 minutes and only did 2 miles, and my headphones died about 10 minutes in, which sucked because the rest of the time I just had to listen to the gym music, and I was just like, girl, I'm very proud of myself. By the end, I was dying really well. I really liked it. Hopefully we stay consistent and stay motivated. So I made myself some breakfast. I just poured some vanilla yogurt with some fruit and granola, and I'm gonna go shower probably after. If not, I really want to put some new sheets I got for my bed. You guys saw the cute little Snoopy Valentine Day ones. They just look so cute, so I want to put those on probably after I eat and stuff. So we're gonna do that,